In today's video, I'll show you if you can remove your history in Uber trips. So let's get started. So here we are in Uber, and from here you would need to go into the activity section right here in the bottom menu. So this is where you'd be able to see your trip history in Uber. And from here, you just simply want to slide it to the left, and from there you'd be able to hide it. And that's the best thing that you can do because Uber does not allow users to delete their trip history entirely. And the reason for that is because of their privacy policy. So it is in their policy that they wouldn't be able to do that because it's stated in the law and it's in the agreement already. So they themselves wouldn't be able to do that. So Uber maintains a record of all trips for legal and operational reasons. So yeah, this is basically the straightforward answer in here. There is no magic trick on how you'd be able to delete your trip history here entirely. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.